Hello guys, my name is Joetta Day, and if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. And today is another beauty subscription. Now I am behind a couple of subscriptions, so bear with me. This is the October subscription of Ipsy, and it's themed Betty Boop collection collaboration. So, and it's got like sequins on the back of this, and if you see boxes in the way, they're for a different video. So here we go. Now the regular Ipsy bag, which this is the regular one, is now $12 a month. And they customize different bags to ship out each month. Now the new thing is you can go up to 5 add-ons for each of your subscriptions. I'm out of breath. So along with duos, you can get up to at least 5 duos, I think, for Ipsy, and that is like right before you pick out your one personalized item each month in the bag, and like the rest you don't know what you get, but it's based on your beauty profile. So let's dig into the Betty Boop Ipsy glam bag. So the theme of the Betty Boop collection is Flaunt It, which is like kind of Halloween. They were trying to go for like a Halloween collection, seems like. And I do love this bag, not to mention Betty Boop was one of the really good cartoons back then. So I am going to go ahead and pull out the Benefit Cosmetics, their Real Lengthening Mascara in Jet Black. And just for assurance, the Ipsy Glam Bag is regular sized items, so they're like sample size. Excuse me. So this little tubey is the mascara. It comes in this little tubey. It's travel sized, and it comes with a plastic applicator wand. Me personally, I do not like the plastic applicators, but it just depends on how really good use they are. It's supposed to boost up the quality of how the mascara looks and voluminize and help separate, lift, and help curl your eyelashes for a better, beautiful look. Next item that we have is the Lenny in the color Brian Bay, which is this pink loose pigment powder eyeshadow. I am not gonna open it until like another video of mine, but I did do a swatch beforehand, checking all these items out, and it is a really shimmery color, really pretty. It's very pigmented. It can last for hours, and it looks great for all skin tones. And if I'm going too fast, let me know in the comments below. Somebody had said, oh, I sound like a robot, but you know, I really don't care. Your opinions don't matter. I mean, they're not necessary. Next, we have a Betty Boop Ipsy collaboration lip gloss in all jazzed up color. And it's this shiny It kind of looks pink on camera, but it is actually not. It is this like silverish, purplish, iridescent color lip gloss. And it does really smell good. I'm not gonna open it right now. Try it for another video. Just trying to get through this stuff so we can go through the add-ons and the duos for the Ipsy glambag. Next we have a Crown Brush CB202 Pro Chisel Flush Fluff and Precision Crease Brush. Really kind of small, but I want to take it out of the package anyways. Mind you, it is this little brush, soft, and I will definitely use this. And then the last thing for the Ipsy bag, before we move on to the add-ons, is this lip scrub. It is really good and does work. It has vitamin C, shea butter, and it moisturizes your lips to where they're not dry.